Hello everyone. Welcome you all to today's learning by doing session. Today's session is based on activity from one of the special series. So let me take you to the class and let's conduct our activity. The theme of our today's activity is it is activity based on sequences and series. And sequences and series is one of the topics in 11th standard syllabus. Yeah, it is chapter 9 of NCERT textbook of 11th standard. So we will be taking one of the special series. As I said, it is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, so basically we will be deriving the formula of this series, series sum of squares of first n natural numbers by applying a very simple activity. Okay, so it means today's focus is activity based on this sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 and so on up to n square. Okay, so let's start our learning by doing activity. Okay, so here So it is basically sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. I may write like this: 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, right? Or you can write here sigma k square, k from 1 to n. Okay, or simply we can write sigma n square. Okay, so what is the formula for this? So this is one of the important, you can say, concepts. So we really can enjoy the activity today. And the objective of today's activity is to obtain the formula for the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. And we are taking very, you can say, easily available materials. And so one graph sheet, I've taken one graph sheet and two white sheets. Okay, and colored pens or sketch pens of three different colors. And for cutting and pasting, we can use scissors and glue. That's it. Okay, now how to conduct the activity. So what is the procedure? So first of all, so take the graph sheet and from the graph sheet, cut 165 unit square pieces. That means unit square pieces means, let me show you. Yeah, we cut like this. Yeah, so you can, so we cut like this is 1 unit square. Okay, so this is one piece of unit square, so it is cut from the graph. So again here you can see these are like this, so it means 1 2 3 4. So you can just cut like 2 by 2. Yes, and 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So like this you can cut the pieces of unit squares, right? Because we want 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So 1 square means 1. So your 4 square means you can have 4 unit squares, right? So you can cut like this 2 by 2. Similarly, 9 means 9 unit squares means you can have 3 by 3. So it means 9 unit squares. Similarly, 16 and this. So like this, got 3 sets. So that means in one set you have 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. So how many? 55 unit square pieces. Similarly, here also 55 and here also 55. So it means total number of unit square pieces will be 3 into 55, that is 165. Is it clear? So we cut like this and arrange them like this. Okay, arrange the 3 sets like this, and we have taken different colors so that we can distinguish. So this is one set, this is second set, this is third set. Okay, now going back to the thing. Yeah. So take 3 sets of unit squares 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 and color them in 3 different colors. Clear? And paste them on a white sheet as shown in the figure. So in case you are doing the whole work online, digitally, you can use PowerPoint slides or you can use Google Slides. So as per your choice. In case you are doing the work manually, offline thing, so you can take the white sheet and you can do like this also. Okay, so I'm telling you both the ways. Whichever way is convenient to you, you can apply that. So here you see, so I have taken 165 unit square pieces, and as I said, you can cut like that so that it will not be very difficult thing. So 3 sets. So here you see one set I have taken in brown color, then red color and blue color. So you can take any 3 colors, right? The total number of unit squares in each set is 55. Now 3 sets, 165. Arrange them like this, okay, and paste them on a white sheet as shown in this figure. Okay, now next one is, now arrange the 3 sets, 165 unit square pieces. If we see 165 equal to 11 into 15, so we can arrange like this also. Okay, so it means we are arranging here 3 sets of unit square pieces in a rectangle and paste it like this. So in another sheet, we have pasted in the shape of a rectangle. So it means here also we are having, you can see the 3 different colors. So it signifies all these 3 sets now. All these 3 sets, they have been rearranged like this. So obviously you may be thinking, how can we, once we have pasted this on the white sheet, very difficult to take it out. So what I have done, I have actually taken 6 sets. So 3 sets to show this one and the same set you can say. So just to represent same set, I have taken another 3 sets but arranged like this. So it means this arrangement in 3 sets like this and in a rectangular shape. That this, so 165 unit square pieces here and also here. So it means area of the rectangle equal to 11 into 15. Yeah, 15 into 11, length into breadth, that is 165 square units. And also here, as I said, each set contains 55 unit square pieces. So it means area of each set is 55 square units. So sum of the areas of all the 3 sets will be 165. Okay, so it means sum of the areas of these 3 sets equal to area of the rectangle. Okay, now so now you see this is arrangement in the first sheet, and in case you are using PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides, so either you use PPT slides or Google Slides, you can do like this. and the second sheet you can take like this. So you can see the same sets like I mean three colors you can see. Okay, so this one like you see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, right? And here you can see like this. And the another 55, I have actually just now arranged like here you see 5, then in between I had gaps, I had to fill up like rearranging. So again, this brown color 55 square pieces you can count also. Okay, so it means area of the square, area of this, I mean these three pieces equal to area of the rectangle. Okay, that's what I want to convey. So now coming to demonstration part, you can see mathematical part, you can see here. Yeah, so total area covered by each set of unit squares is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 square units, which can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square units. And total area of three sets will be 3 times this. Okay, the total area of these three sets will be, yeah, so now you see the three sets 3 times 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square units. So area of the rectangle, as I said, 165. So that can be taken as 15 into 11. Okay, length can be taken as 15 and breadth 11. So like this you can see. Okay, length 15 and breadth this. You can see it from here also. Okay, lengthwise you have, yeah, 15 and breadthwise you have 11. Okay, now total area of the rectangle is, area of the rectangle is 11 into 5, sorry, 11 into 15. Okay, so 11 into 15, I have written it as 11 can be written as 2 into 5 plus 1. 15 is written as 5 into 6 by 2. Right? So it means 3 times 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5 into 6 by 2. Right? So it means 1 into 2 into, yeah, so it means this thing can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. That can be written as 1 by 6 of 5 into 6 means 5 plus 1. Okay, so 5, this 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1. Okay, 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1. Okay, so now for 5, this is very, very clear. Now let me just tell you, in case we take 6. Okay, so in case you take 6, so what will happen? I have just calculated a bit here. I can show you here also. If I write here 1 square, 2 square up to 6 square. So here you see how many? 1 square, 2 square up to 5 square is 55. Now you are adding 6 square, so 36. The total number of, yeah, this, from 1 square till 6 square, it will be 91. So 91 can be taken as 7 into 13. So if you consider rectangle, it will be length 13, breadth 7 units. So area 91 square units. And now you write like this. This is your 91. So 91 can be written as what? As I said, it is 13 into 7. Right? So 13 can be written as, yeah, 2 into 6 plus 1. Okay. 7 can be written as 6 into 7 by 6. Or you can say this is 1 by 6 of 6, 6 plus 1, then 2 into 6 plus 1. Clear? Now if I try by taking up to 7 square, 1 square, 2 square, up to 7 square. Suppose I think I can take 7 up to 7 square. So now you have 91, add 49, right? So 91 adding 49, you are getting here 140. Okay, so this 140 in right hand side, it can be written as, yeah, we can write here. It may be, so 140, you can say 20, yes, so I may write like this, 1 by 6. So let me just check it, 7, right? Now 7 plus 1 into 2 into 7 plus 1. You can take it, okay? So 7 into 8, okay, you can just calculate, see, 7 into 8 into 15, right? 7 into 8 into 15 by 6. So you check it whether you are getting 140 or not. So here it is 3, 4, 5. So you are getting, yeah, 7 into 20, 140. So it means if you take 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to 7 square, then you can make the, the arrangement like in 2 cases, 3 sets in 1 case, then the rectangle in another case. So in this case, rectangle you can decide, so it may be like a 28 into 5 like this. Okay, so in any case, so you are getting like this. So whether, yeah, so what you can observe here, when you have up to 5 square, it is 2 into 5 plus 1, yeah, 2 into 5 plus 1, 5 into 6 by 2. Or you can say 1 by 6 of 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1. When you are taking up to 6 square, it is 1 by 6 of 6 into 6 plus 1 into 2 into 6 plus 1. And when you take 1 square up to 7 square, you are getting 1 by 6 of 7 into 7 plus 1 into 2 into 7 plus 1. Okay, so you are getting a consistent pattern. Okay, now let's observe. So our observation from these 3 cases can be like this: 1 square, 2 square. Yeah, so when you take like this, here it is 1 square, 2 square, up to 5 square. It means sum of the squares of first 5 natural numbers equal to 1 by 6 of 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1. Similarly, sum of the squares of first 6 natural numbers is 1 by 6 into 6 into 6 plus 1 into 2 into 6 plus 1. Sum of the squares of first 7 natural numbers, 1 by 6 of 7 into 7 plus 1 into 2 into 7 plus 1. So as I said, it is a consistent pattern. So you can try by taking up to 8 square, up to 9 square like this. Okay. Now observing this pattern, we can conclude 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, that can be taken as 1 by 6 of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So our conclusion is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is 1 by 6 of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Or we may write it as sigma, a summation of n square. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Or you may write like this also. Sigma k square, k takes values from 1 to n. That is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, so this is the formula you can use directly. So what we could study from this activity. So through this simple activity we derived the formula for this special series, which is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so thank you so much. So if you liked the video, yeah, if you feel it is useful to you, you can share with your friends and you can subscribe this so that from time to time you can get more and more activities, yeah, more and more learning by doing activities. Okay, and do not forget to like the video, so that is the motivation for me, so that I really, as you know, everyone needs motivation. So if, and please like the video, yeah, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.